How often should a home furnace be serviced? Many homeowners only think about their furnace when it stops working, but by that point the issue is usually bigger and more expensive than it needed to be. Furnaces give clear warning signs long before a breakdown happens. Knowing when your furnace needs professional service is the key to keeping your Murrieta home safe, warm, and energy efficient. A home furnace should be serviced once a year by a qualified HVAC technician, ideally in early fall before heating season begins. Annual service keeps components clean, verifies airflow, checks electrical connections, and confirms burners and safety controls are operating correctly. Without yearly service, dust buildup and worn parts quietly reduce efficiency and increase the risk of breakdowns. AirTime Heating and Cooling provides professional furnace service that protects performance, safety, and long-term reliability. In Murrieta, furnaces often sit and use for long periods and then work hard during colder nights. That sudden workload exposes hidden issues fast. Strange noises, uneven heating, rising energy bills, frequent cycling, or burning odors are all signs your furnace needs professional attention before a breakdown occurs. If your furnace has not been serviced in the past year or is showing warning signs, schedule professional service with AirTime Heating and Cooling. We help Murrieta homeowners avoid breakdowns, improve efficiency, and keep their homes comfortable and safe all winter.